How to enable two-factor verification for Twitter with Authenticator app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Twitter. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile on top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Security and Account Access. Then click on Security. Click on Two-Factor Authentication. In here you'll find three options. Turn on Authentication app. You need to enter your password and click on Get Started. You need to click on Link on another device. Screenshot the QR code. After that, simply open Authenticator app, go to Scan QR code, add image you scanned earlier. After that, it will give you code. In here, click on Enter Code, paste the code you copied earlier, and then click on Confirm. After that, you're good to go. Your two-factor authentication will be turned on. This is how to enable two-factor authentication for Twitter with Authenticator app for free on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.